Hi, Mike from the Rural Montana family. In this video I'm going to show you how to install this. What is it? It's a cabin air filter for the Tesla Model S pre-facelift. Let's go. So we purchased this 2013 Tesla Model S here a few weeks ago. It has almost 200,000 miles on it. And this is a classic, which means it's got the black nose cone. So it's a pre-facelift. I probably have to say pre-first facelift nowadays, now that the Plaid is out. The Tesla Model S has gotten another facelift. But so pretty much pre-2016 is when Tesla used this small air cleaner, cabin air cleaner. After that, the option came up for their bioweapon defense system, which is this huge, humongous, enormous cabin air cleaner that takes up the entire width of the frunk, basically. You still have a frunk, but what changed in 2016 is they started coming out with the dual motor. So what disappeared is the back end of the frunk is no longer there. It's basically cut off, and right behind that, underneath all of it, is that big humongous filter. And on all these rear-wheel drive Model S's that are out there before facelift with the black nose cone, you have this big old frunk and you only have a little tiny air cleaner. So we'll go ahead and replace this, and to do so we gotta open the frunk, double click on the key fob, and here we are. Let's take a closer look. So if you have this area here going way in there, then that's when you have a small cabin air cleaner like this. If you have a dual motor Model S, your frunk ends about here. It's a little bit smaller. You don't have this area going in there. And then you have, if ordered so, or if equipped with, you got the big old air cleaner that sits basically back there for the bioweapon defense system. If you have a Tesla Model S 2016 or newer that does not have the bioweapon defense system, it can be upgraded. On the other hand, these models here cannot be upgraded just because it's physically not possible because of this. So the filter sits right under there. So we need to bring this here up. It's stuck on the windshield washer over here. There we go. It's a little tough to do with one hand. Will be a little easier with two. There. And there we go. Got it out. And then right here, that's where it is. Right there. That's all you need to do. And here, pull it out. That's all there is to it. And then we put the new one back in. And so you want to look at the filter. It says here airflow with arrows. Okay. And you want to make sure you just put it in the same way that you pulled it out. And in this case, the air comes in here, it goes down here, and then goes up through the filter. And because there's no opening here, so the air is not coming from here, the air is going here and then up to the inside. So the airflow basically points up, and you'll be able to read Tesla on there, so it's not upside down. So you just stick that in there, and then we put this cover back just like this. And here you can see why I'm changing it. There's a lot of stuff already in here, so we'll replace it because of that. Now we gotta put this here back on. Let me set the camera down and do it that way. All right. There we go. And remember, always push off to the sides of your Tesla T. Yep. There. All done. That is how quick and easy you can change your filter. No problem whatsoever. This filter I purchased directly from Tesla. You can also get some aftermarket online. That's up to you, whatever you prefer. But it's super simple to do. So that can save you some money and time, so you don't have to go to the service center. You can do that in, just like I did here, in about 5 minutes at home, no problem. So if you like this video, if you got any benefit from it, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out any of our future videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.